Hey there, random internet strangers. It's Random Crypto Guy. Uh, Here to give you my weekly signal. Um, just want you to know that I post it every week here at the pinned tweet at Random Crypto Guy. It's at forex_random. I know it's a terrible name. I used to be Random Forex Guy before I got into crypto, and I got into crypto and I never looked back. I saw the benefits and the cost, but I don't want to get into that too deep today. We're just going to go into the signal, and today's signal, I'm going to give it out early today because I don't expect it to be changed that much. It's not much different than last week's signal. It's a little bit different. This is still last week's signal, so let's go to the calculator first. But just, you'll find these signals every week at the pinned tweet at Random Crypto Guy. Let's go to the calculator, and we're always going to start with $100, so it makes the math really simple and really easy. And this is actually the highest number we can reach before we actually start digging into our by the dip escrow, by the FN dip escrow. So it's a 90 is the percentile. That's why I want to give it out early, and if there's another drop this evening, I will give an updated version, but I just want to give it out early because I don't expect it to drop again, but it's possible that it could. The strength of the rebound was pretty good, so I don't see it going down any further. I think that the 50,000 mark is going to hold, but that 50,000 mark also might just give us another signal this afternoon. But I'm going to go ahead, but I don't expect it, so I'm going to go ahead and give out the signal today because it is the strongest signal that you can get and still not dig into buy the dip escrow, which is 90%. So let's say we have $100, and we are going to multiply that times 90%, and that equals $90. So we're going to buy $90 worth of Bitcoin. So that leaves us $10 left. So we're going to set that off to the side, and the by the dip escrow is 4%. So we're going to take our $100 times 4%, and that equals $4. So $4 is going to go in. You're going to put that into USDC in the BlockFi account. And if you use BlockFi, you can divide it up in whatever accounts that you wish to do. And so that leaves us with 6% left over. So 90 plus 4 is 94, and then subtract that from 100. That leaves 6% for your all-in escrow. So, and then if you get confused, you can just 100 times 6% equals $6. So $6 is going to go into your all-in escrow, or it can stay in GUSD. Now I finally got everything linked up in my BlockFi account, and what I found was that the lowest trade amount that you can do is $1.50. So if you are only putting in $20 a week, in anything below 6% is going to be too low for you to buy to trade into. So, and that's at 1.5, $1.05 is, or $1.50. I'm sorry, $1.50 is the smallest trade that you can do on BlockFi. So if that's the case, what I recommend, you don't have to do this, but what I recommend is doing like 150 and 150 in each account, and then buy the rest in Bitcoin. If that's probably the best bet that you can do if the numbers get too low. maybe you only have 10, then it's basically almost every time that you're going to, unless there's a huge rally or a huge dip, then the numbers start getting skewed and a little wacky. But we're still in the average, but this is the upper end of the average before things start, whether we either start buying less Bitcoin if the price is going up, or we start buying more Bitcoin if the price is dipping. So but that's the most we can go to right here with this 90%. And that's why I wanted to do a little special video today on the trading. So this right here is the smallest amount that you can go to. I think that's all I have for today. I didn't want to go too deep into anything. Here's the daily chart. You can see this big long wick here, nice rejection here. This will be a new demand zone. If we can sustain above this level here, this is going to be a nice demand zone and a new base right in here. I haven't been doing too much technical analysis lately. Been kind of getting away, but this will be our new base between 50. So, and those are going to be new buying opportunities there. And what I suspect is we might jab down in here another couple times in the next couple days before we raise back up again, and then see if we can take another run at the all-time high again. That's so a lot of more sideways and just sideways action coming up in the next week or so. I thought it might go up, but doesn't look like that's going to be the case. We might not see any real action until June when Q2 ends and people do their SEC filings. That's when I expect things to start to take off again anyway. So that's it for today. I was going to go into a little bit more ramp, but I don't think today's the day to do that. So have a nice day.